Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this lip piercing and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this earring right here, this one guys, and then you're going to go to the accessory adjustment. I'm going to show you the accessory adjustment that you need to follow to get this lip piercing. Okay, this is for the position. For the scale. You're going to scale it 0. And for the rotation, you're going to make the X rotation 0.32 and Y 0.67. And for the Z rotation 0.43. And for the position, you're going to make it like this. X 0.39 and Y 0.44 and then Z 0.35. Okay, and you will get this kind of piercing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get lip piercing and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.